Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC Build. In this video, I'll be building another special collab MOC Build with a YouTuber named DiagonalBricks. For this MOC Build, I'll be featuring a LEGO themed crossover with one minifigure from LEGO City and another one from LEGO Star Wars. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel and help him get to 150 subscribers. Link to his YouTube channel is in the description below if you want to help him out. I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching this collab video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's LEGO Club. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.